Early childhood education seems so simple because in many ways it's the beginning point, but it really is so complex, and it requires the tireless efforts. So many of the people who are in this building providing a safe, warm, nurturing, stimulating, engaging set of experiences for the children who are here. And that has never been more important than today at this moment, given the real disruptions that we as a society have experienced from the pandemic and from the changing workforce. We like to think that our locations are convenient to where people live and work, and we hope to continue being that way. But there are so many people who contribute to make something like this the success that it is. I just want to thank everybody, including our staff, our leaders, our board members, our supporters, and people in the community we partner with. It really is, it takes a village to do this, and we appreciate everyone's support.
Jack, and to the whole team, congratulations. As the Ward 6 council member, I feel lucky. I've actually got a couple of our AppleTree sites. What that means is I've actually got hundreds of families that are AppleTree families that have put their trust in raising, educating, loving their children into the hands of the family at AppleTree. So I know you take that responsibility very seriously. I know you are an unrelenting advocate for AppleTree, even recruiting from the microphone, trying to get folks in. But it's a testament to the hard work that has gone on here with you and your entire team, of course, to make that a reality for so many families. So thank you and congratulations on this.
Having such an incredible school as the anchor of a development like this is a powerful reflection of how the district realizes that high quality early learning, high quality education from birth through careers, and being a place that is supportive of families in so many ways. Access to quality schools, access to quality parks, access to the kind of infrastructure that makes life livable for families are tremendous assets that the district has, and crucial to our continued success as a city as we rebound from the impacts of the pandemic. I want to note that Dr. Mitchell and Mayor Bowser and myself are all incredibly proud of the district's leadership in early childhood education. We are so proud that the district is the only jurisdiction in the country, and has been for over 15 years, to offer free public universal pre-K, not just for 4-year-olds, but also for 3-year-olds. And we see the benefits of that every day in our students' experience of learning, in our parents' ability to participate in the workforce in the district, and in making the district a compelling place for families. AppleTree has been a huge part of that story, not just from the perspective of supply, although you are a major source of supply for early learning in the district, but also for quality, in terms of the quality of education that you provide and the way that you partner with other public charter schools to support quality early learning.
Thank you, Tasha. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Washington Parent has served the DC area for over 40 years with resources, with events, with support for parent issues, and a wonderful annual contest that allows parents in DC to select their favorites and their best choices in many different categories. So, and I am so thrilled to be here and celebrate with AppleTree the best preschool in DC, and also have a little something to give to them. Okay. It's my pleasure to present this Award of Excellence to you, Mr. McCarthy, Ms. Miles. Thank you so much for all you've done and for creating such a wonderful institution in DC.
Early education is the foundation of educational success. Former Secretary General of the United Nations, Ban Ki-moon, said, "Education promotes equality and lifts people out of poverty. It teaches children how to become good citizens. Education is not just for a privileged few, it is for everyone." Congratulations again, and thank you for your work supporting the district's youngest learners.
Congratulations to AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter School on being selected by the Washington Parent Magazine as the best DC preschool for 2024. You are the parents' pick. Thank you to the hardworking staff. Those are some lucky families to have you. And from at-large Councilmember Robert White, I want to say thank you for your work and congratulations on this recognition.
Good morning. I'm at-large Councilmember Kenya McDuffie, and today I'm thrilled to congratulate AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter School for being named Best DC Preschool by the prestigious Washington Parent Magazine 2024 Parent Picks. This is an incredible achievement for not only AppleTree's faculty and leadership, but to all the immensely talented students who strive to be great, especially considering they were nominated by other esteemed institutions. On behalf of the entire Council of the District of Columbia, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the staff and students and all the amazing people associated with AppleTree. Please keep up the phenomenal work.
Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Walker-Davis, Executive Director of the DC Public Charter School Board. I am ecstatic to applaud AppleTree Public Charter School for being named the best DC preschool by Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 picks. From opening the only public charter pre-K school in Ward 3 to constantly upgrading learning spaces, we at DCPCSB notice the heart and soul this community puts into making a quality education fun, nurturing, and accessible.
Good morning to the teachers, school leaders, and our pre-K families at the AppleTree Waterfront campus in Southwest DC. My name is Paul Kine. I'm the Deputy Mayor for Education for Washington, DC, and I bring warm greetings on behalf of the Bowser administration in celebrating today's open house. DC is proud to lead the nation in providing 3- and 4-year-olds with access to free pre-kindergarten. Free pre-K has not only made DC a fantastic city in which to raise a family, but it has significant educational and social benefits for our young people, and AppleTree is a big part of our ability to do that. So congratulations on today's open house, and congratulations to everyone at AppleTree on being named the best DC preschool in Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 picks.
Hello everyone, I'm Councilmember Anita Bonds, and I am here to congratulate everyone for being named the 2024 Best DC Preschool by the Washington Parents Magazine. You're the parents' pick, and that is no small feat.
My name is Antoinette Mitchell, and I serve as the interim state superintendent in the Office of the State Superintendent of Education here in Washington, D.C. First and foremost, I'd like to say congratulations to the entire AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter Schools team for being recognized as the best DC preschool by Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 Parent Picks. This incredible achievement speaks volumes about the quality of education and the nurturing environment that AppleTree provides to our youngest learners. The opening of the Waterfront location in Southwest is yet another milestone that underscores AppleTree's commitment to expanding access to exceptional early learning for our city's students.